Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, but makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, and so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And the big thing after Monday was, hey, you know, the price had made a very, very impressive move to the upwards, direction. There's, not by any means some sort of shocking, statement on my part. But the question going into today was, hey, is this the start of something bigger, or is that just a dead cat bounce? And we got our answer. Monday's movement was strictly a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to say that? Well, in a very literal sense, the price, when you looked at where it closed today, and then you match it up with where it was, is literally right in the same area of the chart where the price was before the bounce even started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of any sort of true power or anything like that. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying another nice move to the upside can, never ever happen. I'm just saying, as far as, the price movement that occurred on Monday is concerned, there just simply wasn't any sort of true power behind it. As like I said, the price just gave up all those gains, which also brings about the first update in the sense of, if there is going to be another nice move that happens, the first key level that'll need to be broken is going to be 565. And that just comes about based on the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's already played out perfectly here. Price fell below it, and you can see right there, acted as resistance. And then right there again, acted as resistance. So again, not saying that 565 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that it makes sense why that area is now starting to act as an area of resistance. And actually, I'm just going to get rid of that line now. I don't want to cause, clutter and confusion because there's, lines over the place. As far as next levels of support going forward, keep a very close eye on the 553-ish mark. No fancy reasons for that other than the fact of, as you can see here, if the price falls below there, then that's literally putting the price at lows that have not been seen for months upon months. So like I said, nothing fancy there other than the fact of, if the price violates that area, then that is putting the price at areas that haven't been seen for a very long time. So yeah, Monday's price movement was a dead cat bounce, but we'll see if the price can try to turn things around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.